Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Chartlens. Let us do the market review today. So, if you see on Nifty level from last 5 days, Nifty has been very much bearish, and I was expecting sideways after this move, 22nd. I was expecting some kind of sideways and then upside, followed by upside. But due to overall market breadth, poor market breadth, it has even closed this gap. If you see, this gap also has been filled now. So, and even it has been very selective market, only auto and metals has been moving, nothing much. Even auto also, specifically certain stocks are moving, not everything. So it's very typical market wherein we have to control our risk management should be up notch, and position size should be very much less. So another problem is that not all the breakouts are working. After breakout, it's obviously it's getting squat, and then even the failure of base also is very much high. So be very cautious in this market, and as I mentioned in earlier also, go with very less positions. So it's not a market to go aggressive first thing. So let us start the Nifty. So I don't trade unless Nifty gives a strong movement on the upside, at least about 21 EMA. This Nifty Bank, sorry, small cap. Small cap is the same thing. If you see, I think this particular markings I've done earlier, like a few days back. So this is what I don't want to expect from here on, but problem is that again it's happening same thing over here. If you see small cap, again it's forming the same thing here. Like it's not able to sustain every up move. It's like it's facing very tight resistance, and then it's coming up it's coming down very badly. So I don't know whether there will be another base formation over here, or it is just follow up selling. So but anyway, small cap is very weak. Be careful. That's it on conclusion. Mid cap is the same story as Nifty. I don't trade as long as it's about at least it has to cross 21 EMA. Bank Nifty is pretty much strong compared to the Nifty and other indexes. But however, I don't want to trade in this market because of market is very much poor. So I want some days of sideways here. At least some days of sideways like this. Typical sideways, and then if it give breakout, probably I'll definitely enter it out. This is what I'm expecting from Bank Nifty. So I don't want Bank Nifty to fall from here. If it fall, I think it will be a steep fall. So I don't want Bank Nifty to fall from here. Same mid cap, everything is same. So only two sector wise, it's good. Only auto and metal is okay compared to others. If you see auto, we got a good bounce today. I was expecting same thing. I didn't want to get follow through on the downside. So certainly it has been very good bounce today. So I expect this bounce will continue. Seeing the stocks also, I think the auto stocks will definitely go higher from this level. Apart from this, I think all the index has been weak except metal. Private banks also, certain stocks are setting up well today. Even we got today a good bounce in PSU banks and private bank. But however, I'm not bullish. So let's see this one. Let me show you the metal index. Yeah, this is a metal index. Yesterday we were facing some squat kind of thing, but anyway, fine. Today we got over that, and then I think metal will do further good from here on. Even I have a JSFall. I forgot the name. Let me check it. So anyway, I'll go through later the stocks. So this is about metal index. So auto and metal is doing very much good. So I think it will continue the rally. This is commodity index. As we know, gold and silver is just flying. So I think because of that, all the commodities market also it's very good. Defense, I'm very much bearish. I think this was the level I was mentioning in my earlier video. Also, my defense has been very much bearish. So as of now, also it's very much bearish. I don't see any up movement as of now in defense, unless there is something news-driven rally. Nothing much as per chart. I know there is certain news from last 2 days about defense, some contracts, all those things. But anyway, it's not reflecting in chart, so I'll just ignore those things. So let us move to stocks now. My open positions. Film industries, my stop loss got it and I exited on this day. This is what happening in market: breakout and then again fall to the base back squat. That's the reason I'm telling don't have aggressive position size. I have very less position size in this market. So this is my film industry stop loss. Muthoot also same story. Did not sustain the breakout and then again squatted, and then it was my trailing stop loss 21 EMA, so it got it. Exited. TVS Motor also same thing. After so many days, I thought this breakout will sustain now, but anyway, same thing happened. I exited. Manappuram actually, in fact, this was very good rally for me. I entered somewhere this day, and then I was about to hold this, but because of my two previous losses in the film and the Mutut, and then TVS Motors, forcefully I exited today by booking the profit to make sure my equity curve should not go down. So to break even point, I think in December. So that's the reason I exited Manappuram. Or else definitely it's a very strong stock. I would have not exited this. I know I'm regretting, but that's fine. I booked my profit. So at the end of the day, for me, equity curve matters, nothing else. So it's fine. Maruti Suzuki. Today I entered Maruti Suzuki. I don't know on what basis I was not supposed to enter today because of market conditions, but certainly I entered with the 0.25 risk. So let's see. Gold, nothing much. I think yesterday after the fall of yesterday, nothing much. Yesterday is also same thing. If you see breakout and then squat base to the base. However, my stop loss was just missed today. I think my stop loss somewhere this candle low, somewhere I trading stop loss 1674. It got missed today. Hopefully, at least tomorrow I'm expecting some kind of pullback like this. Let me show you. So let's see. JK tire, nothing much. It's after the breakout is sustaining, not a problem. I'm expecting some more sideways and then pull back. Other, I think I entered this day. Same thing, As of now, it's good, no problem. It's fine. Jaiswal, this is what I was talking. This was metal stock, Jaiswal Neko Industries. So I entered somewhere a standard breakout because it got a good consolidation here. So because of that, I entered. Just a moment. Yeah. So I did not exited. I did not exit it. I'm still holding it out completely. It's almost 14% gain, 50% gain. No problem since my risk is 0.25. So I'm just holding it, trailing 21 EMA. Because metals still, I mean, metals is very bullish. So I'm holding it now. Aluminium also I'm holding it out. I entered somewhere this day. 290 was my entry price. And then I partially exited somewhere at 304. Again at selling strength somewhere around 315. I'm holding very partial positions now. My trailing stop loss will be somewhere around 292. I'm expecting some more consolidation days, and then if it give a breakout, I'll enter again. I mean, I'll just pyramid out. It has given good profit, so I exited at 350. A very good profit, like 8% in commodities. It's huge. Nothing much. I think if I talk about my buyable setups, I have certain setups. Let me show you that. I have Bharat Forge since it's a metal sector. So, but anyway, I don't enter, as I mentioned you that market is very much weak. Unless I have some risk-free positions, then only I will enter. If not, definitely I don't enter. So be careful in this market, and thank you very much. Have a good day.